Hello friends, so this is just a fun video of a car wash. So I'm proceeding towards the car wash terminal. As you can see, I'm just trying to balance the wheel so that it doesn't hit. Now scan your ticket, tap your card, insert your card. So I have a ticket already which I bought.
Please put your vehicle in neutral.
And I put the vehicle in neutral. Now the car is moving by itself since it's in neutral. For a better viewing. So this is just misting the car. It's just a little bit of just before applying the detergent and the shampoo. This is the colorful soap, as you can see, green, orange, purple. Now comes the wave of water with pressure that's removing all the soap along with the dirt and grime. Earlier there was cloth that used to clean, but that caused scratches, so that's why they have replaced it with very high pressure water stream. And as you can see, these blue big giant things are the dryer, the professional dryer, the heated dryer I mean, and it will completely blow dry the car. Like you can see the go signal, so I'll just put the car in drive mode again, and that's it. I'll be showing the outside of the car now in a moment, and as you can see, it's looking too good, very good actually. It's perfectly clean and perfectly dry. So it's a just small fun video of a car wash, and this car wash cost me about $14. It's worth it. So thank you very much friends for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.